Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, job notification from 4 MNC companies. So let's get started. First, Subex, application support engineering position, work location Bangalore, function area, IT operations, SAN support. Requirements, knowledge of Unix, SQL or Oracle, excellent communication skills both written and verbal in English, management, good troubleshooting, problem analysis skills, development experience, testing experience, customer management skills, strong interpersonal skills, self-initiator, go-getter attitude, commitment, ability to deliver results within tight time scales. In the same notification, they even clearly mention regarding job roles and responsibilities, which includes carrying out training for customers, both internal and external, available to support customers on 24 into 7 throughout year basis when situation demand. Work closely with development team to bring products and change request into product enrichment proportions. Proactively work to take over new products into support and facilitate rapid engagement of support business. Take handover and carry out effective transition of projects from implementation to support. Interface with customer to resolve customer reported problems remotely when required. Resolve problems reported by customers by analyzing, stimulating and fixing them. Track reported problems through problem tracking system and generate necessary report, root cause analysis, etc. So they clearly mention what they are expecting from the candidate. Those who are interested can apply for this position. BE, BTech, ME, MTech candidates are eligible for this position. Next job notification from Joho Company Vias. They are hiring for software developer position. Required skills are write well designed and efficient code, knowledge of C, C++, Java, any OPS based programming language, contribute in all the phases of product development lifecycle. Beside that, candidate need to have an attitude to learn new technologies. Good analytical problem solving skills are must. Interested candidates can apply for this position by filling a registration form where you need to enter your full name, email ID, valid contact number, permanent address which is optional, state, college, department, year of passing, and attach your resume and you can submit your application. I'm going to provide registration form link in description. Next job notification from Baxter, hiring for Java specialist position, work location Bangalore. In order to apply for this position, viewers, required skills, job responsibilities includes responsible for programming feature or small feature set, contribute to team, work with direction from senior team members and work independently, has the ability to take ownership of small tasks and deliver without supervision while using discretion to seek help when necessary, demonstrate the ability to work with team members, has an ability to make basic technology choices based on experience, skilled in core data structures, algorithms and implementation them using language of choice. Required qualification includes knowledge of Java, JSP, Spring Framework, and as well as knowledge of HTML5, JavaScript, React.js, jQuery, AngularJS, SOAP, microservices, middleware, Linux, etc., unit testing, JUnit, databases. So they clearly mention what they are expecting from the candidate. Candidates from Bachelor, Masters in Computer Science, Computer Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Software Engineering, related field with 0 to 3 years experience candidates are eligible for this position. Interested candidates can apply for this position. Next job notification from Capita Company, hiring for full stack developer position. Work location is Pune. Required skills are Angular, React.js, TypeScript, React, Netcore, SQL, NoSQL, MongoDB, microservice, Azure services. Full-time job, permanent job years, and candidate need to possess minimum 2 years job experience. And in the same notification they even clearly mention regarding job description, they are looking for full stack engineering to build, manage our entire web infrastructure. Successful candidates will have minimum 5 years recent experience with skills listed below. Our project entitles implementing pre-approved UI, constructing our API, connecting to or setting up server infrastructure. This includes associated areas such as database and design. So minimum 2 years experience is mandatory in the following fields. Interested candidates, those who have completed their engineering, can apply for this position. Viewers, I'm going to provide all 4 important links in description. Through link you can apply particular position if it is matches to your profile. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much. All the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe Adira Job Creation YouTube channel. Hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time.